Wherever we are at the moment, a high water bill is something we all experience during the lockdown. An average Sri Lankan consumes around 120 liters of water per day, of which nearly 50% is used for bathing and sanitation, showing that it can be easy to forget the value of fresh water as a resource. Agriculture sector has the highest water consumption for irrigation, which varies between 80 to 90%. In an attempt to raise the awareness about responsible water consumption in Sri Lanka, Green Technology alumni Samira Sandaruwan, Tilina Dilshan and Kubuduni Ratnayaka join us today for a discussion on water consumption in different sectors in Sri Lanka.
In Sri Lankan agriculture, we still mainly rely on traditional irrigation methods where water is applied to the fields in excess amount. Most of this water will be lost through evaporation and leaching. Excess water can also cause soil erosion, higher water consumption, and it is unhealthier to most crops. These issues can be solved using micro irrigation, especially drip irrigations. Drip irrigation systems can use not only for the large scale farming but also for household gardening, and they can help to save water, increase fertilizer efficiency and grow healthier crops by delivering the necessary amount of water to the crop requirement.
The industrial sector is the second highest water consuming sector in Sri Lanka. Industries use water at various stages of their production process, such as processing, washing, diluting or cooling. This generates wastewater polluted by different contaminants. Major industrial parks of Sri Lanka generates more than 30 million cubic meters of wastewater annually. According to Sri Lankan law, before being discharged into the environment, this wastewater must undergo secondary treatment to meet industrial standards set by Central Environmental Authority.
Reducing industrial pollution is also one of the major objectives of Surakimu Ganga, the national program to conserve rivers in Sri Lanka, conducted by CA in collaboration with Ministry of Environment. Through this project, it has been planned to identify watershed areas, demarcate river reservations, rehabilitate damaged and degraded river basins, and protect riverine ecosystems of Sri Lanka. The project was initiated in 2021 from Maniganga, and up to now a preliminary survey has been conducted on 103 major rivers of Sri Lanka, and a national database has been created. The ideal expectation is to bring river water to comply with the drinking water standards to ensure drinking water security for all Sri Lankan people.
Water, drop by drop, makes up an entire ocean. A small action at household level matters because a small change can lead to a big change. So let's take small step towards responsible water consumption today, because every drop counts.